Hello everyone, welcome to Explore CSC Knowledge. Today we are going to learn about slicing strings in Python. It can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. For that, specify the start index and the end index separated by a colon to return a part of the string. For example, we are taking a variable b, assign a string hello world. To slicing the string, we are using colon, so use print function, use that variable. Suppose we are print from 2 to 5 character. So what is the output is showing from 2. As the index is starting from 0, so 0, 1, 2. It prints from 2 and end in the 5, that is 2, 3, 4. LLO, it's print LLO. Let's run in this code in the Google Colab. So I'm taking a variable b, assigning a string like hello world. Now I want to string slicing using print function, use the variable, and suppose we want to print 2 character to 5. Run the cell. See, it displays the character from 2 to 5. Let's talk about slice from the start. You can start the slice from starting point and also the ending point. So if you want to slice from the start, by leaving out the start index, the range will start at the first character. For example, get the characters from the start to position 5, not included. We are not include the first character number or digit. We are just simply putting a colon, and then up to which character we want to print, we are just putting the value. Here we are taking the same variable p, assigning the string hello world, and use print function, use that variable and use colon, and suppose we want to print up to 5. Then what will be happen? I'm just simply copy this code, run on the Google Colab, and just removing from the first number. It slicing from the start up to the 5. Run the cell. See it showing us from the start up to 5 character. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 there is a space, that's why it's only print hello. What happens if we slice the string to the end? By leaving out the end index, the range will go to the end. Suppose, for example, we are taking a variable b, assigning the string hello world, and use print function, use the same variable, just use from, suppose where we start to print the character, suppose start from 2, then up to the end. In the end section, we are not gonna be putting any type of value. So I'm just simply copying this code. Suppose we are starting from 2 character and up to the end. So just run the cell. It print from 2 to up to the end character. See 0, 1, 2 from L, it up to the print to the world. Okay, let's talk about negative indexing. Use negative indexes to start the slice from the end of the string. That means it count from the end of the string. For example, in the same example, we are get the characters from O in the word. So it's starting. We are counting position minus 5. 2 but not included D in word position minus 2. Get the characters from position 2 and all the way to the end. That means here is the example. We are using the variable b, assigning the string hello world. Use print function, the same variable, and minus 5 up to the minus 2. That means we are counting from the end of the string, and in negative slicing it indexes count from minus 1. So minus 1, 2. That means d is not included. We are printing only ORL. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It prints only minus 5 to minus 2. That means it prints only ORL. Let's just copying this code and run in on the Google Colab. Run this cell. We are seeing the print it print ORL. That means it is starting from the end of the string and it index count from minus 1. So minus 1, 2. That means D is not included. We are just to print ORL. It's showing the output ORL.